guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, and like happy Diwali to each and everyone, to all my subscribers and my viewers. Like wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Have a prosperous Diwali, and may this Diwali bring a lot of joy, happiness, health and wealth in your life. So yeah, happy Diwali guys. So this is the makeup look and the hair which I did. So as it is Diwali season, like we go out as guests or people to come at our home, and we always want to look proper on Diwali even though we have done like so much work. So this is like a quick and easy makeup tutorial along with the hair. So if you want to know how I did it, then please continue watching. So to start this look, I am going to first apply my primer. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer, and this is a matte primer. So I'm going to apply it on my complete face. So foundation is like completely optional. So if you want to apply foundation, you can apply foundation. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. So I'm going to apply this under my eye and on my forehead, and on the some parts where I have like very light blemishes or like dark spots. So I'm just going to hide that. I only apply foundation like on the event time when I'm like presenting myself. So I do apply that, or like if I'm judging any event or if I'm invited as a guest. So that is the only time I apply foundation. But on the other days, if there is any festival at my home, or like if I'm invited to somebody's house, I don't actually apply foundation. I just apply my concealer and I'm good to go. So that is what I do. And then like secondly, if you really want to apply foundation, then make sure that your skin is nicely prepped. Like you do your proper skincare routine, you apply like a lot of like moisturizer, tons of sunscreen. Like just prep your skin first so that your skin doesn't lack hydration. Especially girls who have oily skin like me, we like switch to using foundation which is matte, and the matte foundation really dries up the skin. So hydration to the skin is like very important. So before applying any sort of foundation, just make sure that you apply like a lot of moisturizer and sunscreen. So that really helps the foundation to stay longer. So now I'm going to apply my translucent powder, and also I'm going to bake it under my eye because my skin is a little oily, and also I want my makeup to stay at least for like 5-6 hours. So I'm going to do the baking and then I'll start with my eyes. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this PAC eyebrow cake. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow base. So I'm going to apply some amount on my lid. So now I'm going to take my Stars Cosmetics eyeshadow. It is in like a golden shadow. So I'm going to again apply that with my fingertip on my complete eyelid. When you first apply the concealer as an eyeshadow base, it helps hold the product onto your eye, because this pigmented shadows, they really fall onto your face. So the concealer, it just holds it. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this maroon shade from this, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease just to give a smoky effect. So now I'm going to apply my Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal on my waterline. I'm going in with my Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. So now I'm going to take my Faces Canada Ultimate Pro blush, contour and highlighter kit, and I'm going to apply this contour shade. I'm going to apply my Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade 21, and this is like a matte nude lipstick, lip gloss, so apply that. So now coming down to the hair, I am going to do something very different which I have never actually done, not at least on this channel, but so today I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a zigzag parting. So now how to make a zigzag parting is that you just do the mid parting, right? Like always you do the mid parting here. So just start from here and make a V. So that is a V, and just, you know, like make sure that the hairs are like nice and sleek. So a V, and I'm going to comb my hair very nicely. So the V ends here. I'm going to take another V like this. I'm going to comb my hair. So now as you can see, I have a zigzag parting, right? So just make sure that all your hairs are like nice and sleek so that the parting is seen, like it is visible. So comb your hair nicely. So now as I'm done with the parting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair from the crown section. So that is from here, like from the where your eyebrows end, from here I'm going to take like this. Okay, so it actually becomes like a half ponytail. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to comb my hair very nicely, but I'll make sure that this parting is visible. So I'm going to just comb it nicely. It's okay if your hairs are messy, because messy hair, they always look chic. So I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to tie a ponytail. So I'm not going to tie like a complete ponytail. It's going to be like a man bun. So you have to tie a pony like this, and then just take it like this. So you don't have to completely do it, you just have to do it like this. Okay, So now if your hairs are messy, that is completely fine. It anyways looks very chic. So just, you know, flare it up, you know, just like make it more messier. You can also secure this with a bobby pin or like a U-pin. So yeah, okay, so done like this. So I'm going to accessorize this. So I have this bracelet, okay, which is not my size. It is very loose for me. So I'm going to put it in this bun. So I'm going to take this bun and I'm just going to put it over it. So it looks something like this, which looks very nice. And also this is like a unique hairstyle. So instead of putting that basic black rubber bands, you know, just put something which you actually can't wear. So this does not fit me, but this fits my bun very nicely. So this is the hairstyle, and it's very easy, time consuming, and like anybody can do this. So yeah, this was the makeup and the hair. So now I'll quickly get ready and I'll show you my final look in a bit. So guys, this is the final result. I absolutely love the hair and the makeup. And so this is my dress. So it is a dupatta and a top. So the dupatta is like orange and black. So I made sure that I'm at least applying like a copperish eyeshadow just to, you know, match it up. And yeah, like this is the look. I wore like jhumkas and a black bindi, which I absolutely love. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and yes, happy Diwali to everyone. Please be safe, like, you know, play safe Diwali, have a safe Diwali, please don't burst crackers, that's all I can say. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below, and also let me know what videos you want to see next. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right away. And also don't forget to add me on my Instagram and my Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video.